In this video, we gonna prepare Gongura pickle. In a pan, add 2 spoon of coriander seeds, spoon of Jeera, half a spoon of fenugreek seed and 15 dry red chilies. Dry roast all ingredients for 2 minutes. Let it cool and transfer it to the blender. In the same pan, add a spoon of oil. Add Gongura leaves. I have taken 2 bunch of Gongura leaves. Divide in batches and saute all the leaves till it cooked well. Transfer to plate and let it cool. Soak lemon-sized tamarind in 200 ml water and strain the water. With the roasted spice, add garlic and grind it. Then add roasted Gongura leaves, salt, tamarind water, and grind it. In another pan, add 75 ml of oil, spoon of mustard, spoon of Urud, half a spoon of Asafoetida, half a spoon of turmeric powder, and add the ground Gongura paste. Cook for 20 minutes in a medium flame. Stir often every 3 minutes. When oil starts to oozes out, that is the perfect time to switch off the flame. Our spicy and tangy Gongura pickle is ready to serve. Tips time. If Gongura is less spice, add chili powder and roast again. Adding more oil gives more taste and more shelf life. Store it in glass container for more shelf life. Gongura pickle goes well with plain rice and side dish for curd rice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.